Hey everybody, and welcome back to my Super Bowl series at Restaurant Recipe Recreations. And if this is your first time here and you'd like to learn how to recreate your favorite signature dishes from the most popular restaurants, then go ahead and start by hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. And that way you'll be notified of all of my upcoming episodes. And since I'm still in my Super Bowl 55 series and my Tampa Bay Buccaneers are going to the Super Bowl and playing at their very own Raymond James Stadium, in today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to recreate the best restaurant version of buffalo chicken dip around. And it comes from Hooters. Hooters restaurants were founded by 6 men, obviously, who claimed that the reason for the concept was to create a bar and grill that they themselves would not get kicked out of, which is kind of funny. And their slogan is delightfully tacky yet unrefined. So do with that what you will. But aside from the other aspects of the restaurant chain that they're either famous for or infamous for, they are known to make an awesome buffalo chicken dip. And in only 5 ingredients, I'm going to teach you how to recreate it today just in time for your Super Bowl party. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, my peeps, so the first thing that you're going to start with is the actual Hooters wing sauce. This is just a 12-ounce jar of Hooters wing sauce that I found in the hot sauce aisle at my local grocery store. And if your local store doesn't happen to have it, I'm sure that you can get it on Amazon. So in a very large saute pan on a low heat, we're just going to start by adding in the wing sauce. All 12 ounces, the whole jar. And then just stir it around while it slowly melts. And then to the melted wing sauce, you're going to add 2 8-ounce packages of softened Philadelphia cream cheese. And also to the wing sauce, you want to add 1.5 cups of freshly grated sharp cheddar cheese. And then, keeping your heat very, very low, you just want to continually stir this until all of the cheese has completely melted. And then next, you just want to take a 1-ounce packet of dry Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning. And for this amount, you want to put about half of the packet in, which comes to be 1 tablespoon. And then give that a stir. And finally, once all of your cream cheese and your cheddar cheese have completely melted, you're going to add in 4 cups of roasted and pulled chicken, both white meat and dark meat. I roasted my own chicken for this, but you can buy an already roasted chicken in your grocery store. But if you decide that you would like to roast your own chicken, start with about a 4-pound bird. The one thing that I do not recommend, however, is to use canned chicken because the flavor and the consistency will be completely altered, and it just will not produce the tastiest results. And when you are pulling and dicing your chicken, you want to keep in mind that this is a dip. So you need to keep the pieces of chicken small so that they're easy to eat with either your chips or your celery. And then keeping it on a low heat, you want to just make sure that the entire dip is heated all the way through and it is ready to serve immediately. So you'll find that this recipe actually makes quite a lot. With the finished product, you're going to have about 6 cups of the buffalo chicken dip. And depending on the size of your gathering, that may be perfect for you, but this will actually freeze well too. So use up whatever portion that you think that you'll need, and then just put it in a tight-fitting container and stick it in the freezer, and it should last for a while. You can bring it out again for another gathering. There's no need to pop this in the oven. As long as you made sure that everything was melted and that the chicken and everything was incorporated and heated all the way through, it's ready to go right now. Now to serve it, you may want to top it with a little bit of crumbled blue cheese like they do at the restaurant. And if blue cheese is not your thing, then leave it off, of course. Because like I always say, so what? Who cares? And then serve it with some fresh celery sticks. You know, just to kind of keep it light. It's not light. And then of course my favorite standby, Santita's corn chips. Obviously use whatever corn chips you prefer the most. I happen to like these store-bought Santita's corn chips. And aside from the sexy packaging, you can also see that they're quite budget friendly at $2.29 a bag. And I tease on Santita's corn chips all the time in my episodes because, you know. But in all honesty, I really do love them. Where they lack in sexy packaging, they do make up for in flavor. So again, use whatever chip is your favorite, but if you haven't tried these, go ahead and try them. I'm not sponsored by Santita's, by the way. I just really do think that they're that good. Okay, everybody, I hope that you liked this video. And if you did enjoy this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're not rooting for the Kansas City Chiefs on Sunday, February 7th at Super Bowl 55 in Raymond James Stadium, then I would appreciate it if you sent a little bit of love down to Tampa Bay to Tom Brady and my boys at the Buccaneers. Because I'm hoping that we pull out a big win, because it's been a long time for the Buccaneers. But whoever you're rooting for in Super Bowl 55 on Sunday, I hope you have an awesome, awesome time. Enjoy your buffalo chicken dip from Hooters. And I'll see you again soon, everybody. Cheers. I love y'all.